Hi, it's Anna Jyoti Low from the School of Fine Tuning. I've had quite a lot of interest in the Gua Sha facial massage, and I wanted to tell you about the training courses that I offer. The Gua Sha and silicone cupping is very much about the body and the face. So if you're a body worker wanting to incorporate the Gua Sha, then that's the course for you. The course that I'm going to tell you about now is the Natural Facelift Rejuvenation Massage training, and really targeting massage therapists, but also very much for beauty therapists. And this is for you to incorporate into your massage routine when you're doing your facial massage. So you can incorporate any aspect of it into a facial where you're using products. Sometimes your signature products may not allow you to incorporate tools, but if you have a signature treatment or a facial that you've created for yourself, then certainly you can incorporate these techniques into it. And then of course you can do, detox facials, hydrating facials, rejuvenating facials. This particular rejuvenation facial really helps to increase and rejuvenate the natural skin's elasticity and collagen elastin production. It helps to agitate all the capillaries, to not in an aggressive way, but helps to refresh and rejuvenate the capillaries and the blood flow. It also helps to work with lymphatic drainage and skin nourishment. So I'm just going to tell you some of the tools and tricks that I'm going to teach you, and let me show you some of the processes. So I'm not going to do a whole, but the reason why I've been inspired to do this video is, if you can see, my skin is already, it looks a little bit blotchy, it looks a little bit red, but that's because I've just done a facial for myself. And so I started with a natural cleanse and tone. And then I started with a bit of a derma roller, and this is like a micro needle, and where I go very, very gentle. It's a really gentle practice over your face, and you could do it just as sweeps as well if people find it too. There's different strengths of needles. I have got a 1. I don't do it very often. I might do it every other week, so I don't do it like every week. I have other weekly practices, but this I'll do every couple of weeks because it's quite a strong treatment, I'd say, and I use a 1, but if you use like a 0.5, you can probably do it a bit more frequently. But we talk about derma rollers on the training. And then we also use, I'm not going to do it now, but we also use honey. So honey practice is really lovely, where you put natural honey and you lift it. There is another video where I show you that, and it's lifting and lifting and lifting with the honey, and you're getting the lovely nourishment and soothing and vitamin properties of the honey. So that's really good. And then we're going to, I've got this lovely mask. That's what I used earlier. Looks a bit scary. Oh no, I've got dogs barking. Oh dear. So I had this on earlier. This is a hyaluronic face mask, so I was wearing that for 10 minutes after I'd finished the micro needling. I put that on, so I just wanted to show you that. It's that's a lovely mask. And then even you can put cold on. I've got these little marble crescents, so these can go on with the mask. You could put cool pads, little discs, cotton pads, and then you can place these are from the fridge or from the freezer, and then you can soothe out as well. Later on we can do soothing out. I've also got jade wands which work very well, but these are beautiful little crescents. We also work with the Gua Sha and jade rollers. So these work, this is all really good for lymphatic work and working to push and roll the lymphatic. So it's quite a gentle and superficial part of the training. And then the Gua Sha as well. The Gua Sha is nice because it has different ends you can work all the way under the eyes. Very good. A little bit puffy today. That's okay. So let's see if we can show. I haven't done any Gua Sha today. That's So I did a mask and some microneedling. But anyway, we work with the Gua Sha, and then you can get a little more detailed with that. I do apologise with Wizard barking up there, but... And then the cupping's good. We work with a flash cupping all over. Work with the cupping. And then I've got a small device here that's really nice, actually. You can use this in many ways. You can use this device to cleanse. So it has a vibration, it has a control on it where it starts, it's vibrating here. And with your product of like a foaming product, you can, thank you. You can use it with a foaming product. And it gets really deep into the skin, penetrating the product in. It's really lovely, actually. But this side has a sonic frequency that works with, again, with products to massage deeper into the epidermis. So you can see, although my skin looks quite red and glowing, what that is stimulating, as discussed, all the blood flow, energy, lymphatics, improving all cellular rejuvenation. So turn that off, and then you can put on products. I make my own facial oil, which I think you've seen before. That's a frankincense, rose and geranium in. I put a little bit of rose hip oil and apricot kernel oil. And I also use lovely serums. These serums are from Tropic. And there's a selection of serums that I use from Tropic. I buy these from my ambassadors. And so if you need to know where to get those from, do give me a shout and I can let you know. But just pressing on a little bit of serum helps to nourish and feed the skin. And then, as well as all of those tools, I just wanted to show you the tools, but as well as all the tools, we do a really lovely facial massage. So lots of facial effleurage, lots of techniques to plump, acupressure techniques we use. And lifting. And it's lovely. I love facial massage just with the hands, because just that aspect of touch and the element of touch is so beautiful and so nurturing. But also, you can't beat, you know, the machine that is your hands, and all the different techniques that we can use here, sweeping, and just that it's deeply relaxing and deeply soothing. After a lot of the techniques, you can really enjoy the relaxation. So the whole massage itself that you will learn is about a 40-45 minute massage. So if you're using all your products on top of that, then you're really looking at a very luxurious facial. So the Natural Facelift Rejuvenation training isn't so much facial training. We do offer facial training here at the school as well, if you want to learn about application of products and learning a beauty facial routine. You can do that as well. And then the facial rejuvenation massage training is separate. I have had therapists do 2 days where you can do 2 together, and that's a really lovely weekend. So why don't you get in touch with me if you're interested in this training, if you're a facialist or a body worker and you want to be able to really specialize in your facials, working with these fabulous tools to get the best out of your clients' skin routines. I'm sure there's loads more that I've missed, and that's why you come on training, because we have loads to talk about and I've got loads more to share. So this is just a video really inviting you to get in touch. Have a look at my website. It's theschooloffinetuning.com, And there's more videos on my YouTube channel, which is Anna Jyoti Low. And then I constantly refresh my Facebook every day, and that's the School of Fine Tuning, and on Instagram at the School of Fine Tuning. Thank goodness for social media and websites, because I'm able to communicate with you all over the country. So I really look forward to welcoming you here in Bournemouth and sharing this training with you. Thank you.